What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to show you how to get your machine adjusted so that you can have the furthest range of operation. So we're wanting to do an outside clamp up to 21 inches, and this is how we're going to do it. All right, so we're here with the YuanMech N956. So if you come over here, we got our plastic protectors off. We've unscrewed the center bolt with an 8mm. Once you take that out, you'll see inside here there are 3 positions. There's a position to the right and there's one to the left. So what we're going to want to do is pull this back so that we can position this to go into the furthest hole to the left. Oh, there it is. So there you can see. This is how it's set up. So once I get everything back in order here, then we'll be able to see, but we're basically looking to align it there so that we can go into the furthest hole there, which will give us the capability of working up to a 21-inch rim on an outer clamp. Since these holes are a little rusted, I'm using a little bit of anti-seize lubricant, taking a nail, and I'm just kind of putting that in there just to get it worked in. Then what I do is I take the bolt, I screw it in, and I'm going to use an impact driver just to help get it down in there. And then take it out. And basically what that does is just gets the hole nice and lubricated, because if you look at the other hole that hasn't been used, it is very rusty inside. So just be aware, when you get it from the factory, it is set in the second hole. And if you'd like to adjust it for smaller or for larger, you're going to have to do these adjustments. And what we're also going to do is we're going to take these 2 pieces here and we're going to flip them around so that they will move further on this side. We're going to put this cover back over. We're going to get everything aligned, get that clamp screwed in place there, and then we'll be ready to work on an outer clamp of wheels up to 21 inches. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.